Good evening, friends. Welcome all to another episode of free session from Joshi's Kerala Group. This session is for today, tomorrow, and day after, 3 days course. Actually, this is a single point acupressure therapy. You all know so many treatments, including our traditional energy medicine from Basavara sir. And all of you know Basavara sir also. He is the founder of Acu Academy, Basava Acu Academy, and also he is the inventor of the Nadi. By using this device, we can scan our body and we can apply a single point treatment for getting cured their illness. Now, their team found single point acupressure. We can apply the acupressure in single point to get healed. And we enjoyed the special energy healing the last week. And today also, he will guide us how to do this energy healing for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. As a healer, we all have to practice this zero state of mind meditation whenever you get time. So he will give you guidance for how to practice this zero state of mind meditation for 5 minutes or 10 minutes in between. Now I am welcoming Basavara sir on behalf of all of us. Welcome, sir. Good evening. Now you can take care of the session, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, madam. Good evening, all. Welcome back after the energy healing session. So I hope you're doing good. So any of you tried and got results with energy healing? Because before going to the next technique, so it's better to review. So because I'm basically a teacher, so whenever we go to class, we'll ask the last class questions just to revise. So anybody, have you tried energy healing and got feedback from the people? You can share and you can unmute and talk if you raise your hand. Causal. You can unmute and talk. Yes. Yes, Murali. You can unmute Meridian Nair.
Murali Nair, we are not able to hear you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Namaskara. You can talk, Murali. It's unmuted. Swami
Swami
Ganesh.
Ganesh.
Hi. Hello, sir. I tried, me and my husband, we were driving in the car, and then my husband was very sleepy. And if he feels like that, and then he has to eat chocolate and everything. But I tried the little pinky below his nail. I put the dark blue dot. It works, sir. It works really good. Within 10 minutes, he didn't yawn, and he was very fresh until we finished the trip. And for my headache, I tried the light blue color in my pinky, under my pinky, but it didn't work, sir. I don't know. Do I need to try different color or?
Yeah, it's a different color. You can try green color or pink color. It works.
Oh, green or pink? Okay.
Yeah,
So
pink
green color.
pink in the middle finger and green in the index finger. Both.
Okay. For headache?
Yeah, headache.
Both or either one, doctor, sir?
Both.
Both. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, can I speak, sir?
Thank you.
Yes,
sir.
yes, Shad.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir. I'm good with your blessings.
Thank
Sir,
you.
I have only one question.
Yeah.
Say, last time also I posted that number 5 in red color. What is the significance of that?
So number 5 in red color.
Yeah.
So normally we give it based on your color numerology. So who is number 5? It's indicating the Prithvi, no?
Yeah. Earth.
Who is having stagnation? They're unable to change their life or something. Somewhere they're stuck and feeling stagnated or heaviness. For them, we are giving force to come out of that situation. For example, somebody is stuck in the family circumstances or business or something else. So that loop is continuing, they're unable to come out of it. For them, we can give a red in 5. So within 2 or 3 weeks, you can see the great changes. They come out of the loop.
No, we are using the violet color on the right hand little finger also. It will also useful, na? Yeah.
Violet, it is main characteristics of violet is makes you acceptance and flexibility. Acceptance and flexibility is different than coming out of the loop.
Acha.
Okay. For something you are unable to accept, something you are unable to adjust, and something unable to obey, there you can use violet.
Yeah.
Here, particularly you asked number 5 in red color.
Yeah.
Number 5 represents Prithvi. Prithvi is holding,
Yes.
stagnation, heaviness.
Yes.
Red is a direction. It will give you force to come out of it. Yes. Okay.
Sir, but physical ailments, anything can be applied with the 5 red.
5 in red. In the you are asking in the physical level. You're asking
physical ailments.
Yeah, in the physical elements, you can use the number 5 in red color to remove the digestive waste, to cleanse your digestion system.
Fine.
To improve your spleen, stomach, and pancreas performance.
Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Well,
Dear
thank you, Ella. Thank
Dear
you.
friends, please cooperate. This is not the doubt clearance section. This is only your experience sharing session. You can share your experience with the last week class and your knowledge. That's all. We will clear all the doubts at the end of the session. Please cooperate.
Yes, Leela. Leela Shah from Malaysia. Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is Lisa here from Bombay.
Yes.
I gave your energy meditation to my class, yoga class, and they found it was really an amazing experience. They felt the mind had gone completely blank, and they felt it was so relaxing, like they were just, like they were clear what was there in front of them, like it was a whole different world for them, and they found it very soothing and very refreshing. So for that, I would like to thank you.
Thank you, and continue your sessions for 2 to 3 weeks, and you can see the great improvements in their in energy levels.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, Ajita from
Hello,
Iran.
sir.
Hello.
Sir. Thank you for wonderful session. My husband had migraine since many years ago, and he was disturbance sleep, and he applied sky blue color below the nail in right small finger.
Sky blue.
Sky blue, yes. Sky blue, right small finger below the nail.
Okay.
And very good sleep, and his migraine is very, very better.
Super.
Thank you.
Continue. Thank you. Yes, Renu.
यस सर सर गुड इवनिंग सर मैं आप बताना चाहूंगी कि मैंने आपका टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मैंने आपसे पूछा था, मेरे को प्रॉब्लम थी, यूरिन का फ्लो बहुत कम था, बहुत बिल्कुल ड्रॉप वाइज आता था, और इवन मैंने यूट्रस भी रिमूव करा लिया तब भी ब्लैडर से क्लियर नहीं होता था। आपने मेरे को TEM पॉइंट बताया, उसके बाद मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, और मेरी ये 7 इयर्स पुरानी प्रॉब्लम थी जो कि मैं बिल्कुल अब नॉर्मल यूरिन पास आउट हो रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच, ग्रैटिट्यूड सर।
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Feel blessed when people heal with the technique.
Thank
so
you, sir.
7 years problem solved with 1 point.
Yes,
so
for 10 only in 10 minutes treatment.
that is the power of TM. In in traditional energy medicine course, we teach only 1 point. That
Yes.
too by analyzing your entire pulse, tongue, and other aspects. So I hope it won't repeat again and continue the things. And today and tomorrow in this week, we will give you much more newer techniques through acupressure points, and you can apply these two also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. So thank you everyone for sharing your experience. And
Sir, before starting the session, one more point, sir. Dear friends, all the participants are our guests. We are welcoming you all to our classroom as well as our group, Joshi's Kerala group. If you want the previous recordings or the notes, and you will get so many protocols also from the Joshi's Kerala group. So you have to just join by using that link given in the chat box. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
So overall, Missed Energy class, they can again check out the recordings. Just a minute. So welcome back. So acupressure is one of the important healing technique. Through this, we can cure even acute and chronic disorders without medicine. So it's so simple. Anybody can do this and no side effects. Only thing is, to learn this technique, you should be a very good observer, because you just type in YouTube, so many hundred of videos are available. Okay, that's not the matter. But here we will teach you each and every point with precondition and post check. Before doing any point, what is the precondition? And after doing point, post check means after doing that point, what are all the things you need to observe? Then only you can learn better. Then only you can get the benefit. So if you are not getting expected results, again, you have to rethink why you didn't get expected results. And what are all the changes you should do in terms of food, in terms of diagnosis, and in terms of emotional correction. Because any technique is incomplete without including the patient's emotions and food practice. Even though it is a best technique, it requires some support. For example, today if you are reducing stomach heat, that means again you should not add some food which creates the stomach heat. That is more important. But my thing is, so what are all the points we learn? We will learn in such a way that what are all the corrections we can do in our daily life, in our lifestyle, in our time zone, and in our patterns. So be careful about all the things and don't concentrate only on the point. Point gave you good results, but to retain that, you should have some changes in your lifestyle and food. That is more important. Before starting, one question from Thomas Pothen. Yes, Thomas?
Yeah, please, sorry, can you increase the volume? Volume is very less.
Volume, I think.
Thank you.
Fine, I think you are not listening. You can use the headphone or earphones because as of now, 300 people are there. I didn't get any single message regarding.
Okay.
You just recheck your audio. Otherwise, better to use earphone or headphone like that. Okay, thank you. Fine. So the first thing, the first step towards acupressure. So what is acupressure? So acupressure is you are making a communication between cells, between organs and between tissues. To understand this logic, your body, any one given cell in any corner of your body, it is keep on communicating with other cells and other tissues. Today, if you are getting any diseases, let's take ear diseases, eye disorders, throat disorders. What doctor will take? Will do eye surgery, will do ear surgery, will do throat surgery, will remove something, will add something. I'm not telling it's right or wrong, but here in acupressure technique, no individual tissue is independent. Today, if you are getting, let us take a severe throat pain or throat congestion, sore throat. It is not only the responsibility of the throat muscles or tissues or cells, which is causing the pain, which is causing some extra growth, which is causing some thyroid imbalance, which is causing some laryngitis, congestion. Throat is not only the responsible. You might have seen that there is a different across the body. I'll show you one or two examples. Let's see here. Hmm. If it is not visible, just text me in the chat box. The meridian is visible.
Just buffering, sir.
Buffering. Just a minute. Now check.
Now it is visible, sir.
Fine. Okay. Just randomly I googled just to show you the importance of the energy lines. If any of us getting issues in the thyroid or throat or in the vocal cord or in the neck, it is not only the local muscles which is responsible for nourishing that muscles and is responsible for functionality of the throat and neck area. There's so many other meridians are which is passing. Let us take, it's the stomach meridian, which is in orange color. And there's a conceptual vessel. And there is a one kidney meridian is also passing nearby throat. And small intestine and large intestine. The throat is also connected with the lungs. So nearly 4 to 5 different meridians which is passing across the throat. So that means if any of you got issues with the throat or neck, it is a multiple organs is involved in that dysfunction. Means to strengthen your throat and neck, you should strengthen the other vital organ which is responsible for nourishing and functioning of the throat. Similarly, a thyroid dysfunction, if it is hyperthyroid or hypothyroid, you can't treat only thyroid organ which is endocrine gland. It is not even vital organ. Even if you remove thyroid also, many people will continue their lifespan with taking supplements. But thyroid gland is controlled by some other vital organs like kidney and heart and liver and lungs. So you need to understand here before doing acupressure to the any point. Even though we are triggering one point at a time, so in the multiple sessions, today if you are treating one other, tomorrow you can treat some other, like that. It's not only throat. If you take any given tissue or muscles or organ, for example, even knee pain also. Near the knee, the main 3 meridians which is passing, which is kidney, spleen, and liver. So the problem may be in any of the one meridian or multiple meridian that can be treated with by considering the holistic way. Clear? No disease is individual and independent. You should not think like a regular doctors, conventional doctors. Or some lump is there, we will remove. Then one more will come. That we will remove again once again. Again one more will come. You might have seen many surgeries. There is a recurrence, and they keep on doing the same antibiotics, same steroids are repeating, same anti-allergic medicines, and do small surgeries. All these things never heal your body holistically. And even though if you give best medicine and best doctor, and if you meet best surgeon also, your cure is temporary and it may limited to only relieving the pain or discomfort. Anytime in the future, near future, it may reoccur. Actually, you are not at all solved the problem at all. You just trying for the relief by spending lakhs of rupees. Even though you have some health insurance, whatever it is, final damage happens to your body. There is a small surgery or a big surgery, whether it is a simple painkiller or antibiotics or steroids or something else. Everything is trying on your body. But in acupressure and acupuncture technique, we strongly believe that your body has an immense energy to heal itself. You no need to doubt even 0.001%. You should not have any doubts whether it is healing or not, whether it is possible or not. You should not have even 1% doubt. Yes, 100 and 200%, I'm telling you, your body is capable of healing, whether it is a simple cold or a chronic cancer patients. Finally, your body is not asking medicine at any given point of this disease. It is only asking the best environment to heal itself. How best environment you can give to heal itself in terms of mind, in terms of food, in terms of emotions, instead of it is also required to come out of the fear which you have about the diseases, because 80% of the diseases is created by the science. Oh, you are a diabetic, lifetime you are a diabetic. But this happened, this is like this one. But we don't know. There's 100 of different varieties of healings in the world. In that, modern science will one, and we should appreciate the modern science which is giving very quick relief. At least it is avoiding the immediate suffering. But to get a small relief, you are paying a lot, heavily. It's because in my clinical practice, I've seen 100 of patients. After taking medicines, they come to us with a lot of side effects. Till today, we are receiving the patients, post-COVID patients. They're damaged, this one and all. It's not because of, most of the things is not COVID, because they're given a heavy medication during this. Because what steroids they give during pandemic or other situation, you know how it works. The antibiotics and steroids, after taking that, patient feels comfortable and no pain, no struggling. Why? Because all the steroids and antibiotics, they directly go to the bone marrow. In the bone marrow, all of us, we have reserved energy in the form of kidney essence, In Ayurveda, we call it as a Shukra Dhatu. What you eat, it converts into juice, then blood, then muscle, then fat, then bone marrow, then kidney essence. It's your asset. You should use limitedly. That normally we use during work, during sex, and during healing, and during our intellectual thinking. Everywhere we are using that essence. But when you give steroids and antibiotics, it is used over the way, means it's above the expected. Then what happens? Because you sucked your own essence, you feel relief. But this essence is going down day by day, day by day. You might have seen many people after taking antibiotic, they feel tired. After taking steroids, they feel a lot of problems because the essence is they lost. So that's what most of the times, till there is no other way, avoid heavy doses of medicines. Because one way you are keep on giving trouble to the body in the form of medicine or in the form of food. Other way you are doing acupressure, acupuncture, and Reiki, energy healing, marma, chikitsa, whatever it is. And you are telling it is not working. Which is right? It is not working, or you are not doing in the right way. Because literally I seen the situation in the clinical practice. Patient comes with a lot of problems and he will tell, I can't quit smoking. Daily 1 pack I need. You heal me. Some other lady is telling, daily I have to take 2 packs, 3 packs of alcohol, otherwise I won't get sleep. You heal me. Other person, he don't want to leave non-veg and he is expecting complete cure. I'm not telling you leave everything, but depending upon your diagnosis, depending upon your situation, depending upon the level of illness, you should avoid something and you should adapt something. That is for time being. Once you heal, once you are good, then you can do everything. I'm not telling it is right or wrong in any way. While healing, your energy is very minimum right now. Through acupressure and some other technique, you are enhancing your energy. In that time, you should not waste your chi. You should not waste your prana shakti by doing nonsense work. So all these things matters in healing. Not only food, your medicine, your emotions, everything matters. For example, if you are treating a patient who is having high cholesterol, what doctor will do? They give some blood thinners like Acupressure and all. Is it a solution? Not at all. It is giving you wonderful relief. But how to come out of it? There's so many diagnosis and treatment you can do effectively, but on one condition. What is that condition? Two things is very, very important in the cholesterol. The one thing, you should not overload your liver. Liver is already weak. Because of that only the cholesterol increased. Because even if you take 1 gram of oil, who is doing metabolism of oil in the body? It's your liver only. Without liver, you cannot digest your fat. So, if cholesterol already is too high, means what it means? The liver energy is too low. So, when you are healing your liver, try to avoid more chemically contaminated food plus oily stuff. It may be dairy, it may be a refined or unrefined or anything. Till what time? Till you enhance, talking about the cholesterol. Once your liver is enhanced, cholesterol will go off automatically. And second most important thing, who's having cholesterol, heart blockage, etc., etc. Why it is happening? Your body doesn't have enough fire in the body. It doesn't have enough pitta. Why? Patient may have emotionally having some fear factor. Any big or small fear. The daily, a small fear. What is the nature of fear? It makes you cold or hot. When you're too much fearful, how you feel? You feel cold. And sometimes people will urinate with that cold. And some people will shiver. So fear makes you low. A small fears, like it may be about your health, relationship, finance, or status, or responsibility. There's a hundred of way it can attack you. A regular, smaller or bigger way of fear, it will induce coldness into the blood. So due to that, your yin energy will grow, yang will in the deficient side, your body is unable to do metabolism. Avoiding oil and all, it's not lifelong solution at all. Taking refined oil, taking something, it's not the solution. The solution lies in the coming out of the fear and enhancing the liver is the permanent solution. Once you do this, I'll give you a guarantee, you go and have everything. Non-veg, samosa, jalebi, whatever it is. Your body is able to digest. You don't need to look back and no need to take test also. You'll be fine. No other symptom will bother you. But healing period may be a 1 week or 1 month or 1 year. Sometimes it's 3-4 years also. It depends on patient's energy levels and the level of chronicity of the disease, both. So just I given one example, the relation between cholesterol, food and emotion. Like that, whether you treat any disease which has a definite relation between different organs, different food and different lifestyle and different emotions. If you are healing somebody, you should guide them. Taking 1 point, go and forgetting patient, no. In my clinic, I won't treat people who are not doing follow-up. Because after every point, I'm very curious what's happening. Whether symptoms are increasing or decreasing, no changes. Everything is learning for us. If it is no changes means, I will check other conditions, food and emotions. If it is something positive change means, I'll try to increase that energy. If it is in the changes in the negative side, after giving problem, something is aggravated, then I will change the treatment in opposite direction. So like that, there's a lot of things to learn. So my learning in last 15 years of journey, it's from the patients only, not from any books or any classes or anything. Our research of Nadi Swara, our journey started in this drugless world through our pulse diagnosis device. So with our team of 8 members, we invented a device called an Nadi Swara. It's a pulse diagnosis device. It just takes the pulse, it analyzes your energy levels, and it will tell you how is the energy of your body and how is your emotions and what are the point you can treat. So like that, we are putting effort and understanding from the patients. They are your best teachers. After doing anything, if they are telling no changes, means first you have to correct their food and lifestyle. If they are if they are telling positive changes, means you should continue the treatment in that direction. If they are telling negative direction, means you should treat the opposite way. 3 things you should remember. Got it? No change, positive change, and negative change. And don't leave any patients feedback. If you are not taking feedback, what you are learning here and what you are applying, it's waste, because you are going to forget within 2-3 months. Then you are searching for one more course, one more teacher, then one more technique, then again forgetting. Today I'm giving you, I'm not telling something extra. What we are doing in last 1.5 decade, we are telling that. This is how we learned. This is how this technique of TM is most effective. With 1 point, people are getting miraculous results. If you are not getting results, negative change or positive change, you can rethink on it and you can work on it. Regarding my clinic, someone is asking, just type Basava Natural Healing Center in the Google. You will get map, address, and everything. Okay. So come back here. Each and every cell is reflecting other. Like that, each and every part of your body is imitating whole body. Imitating whole body. You take any part of your body, that is reflecting whole body, holistic way. If you take nose, this is your body reflex. If you take eyes, if you take face, this is head and this is your anus reflex. If you take ear, even in ear also, this is called auricular therapy. This is the head and this is the leg and this is the organ reflex. This is the spinal cord. Anything you take, if you take one finger, this is the head, chest, abdomen. This is the spinal cord. If you take your body also, this is the head and this is the bladder. In the Sujok, if you take, this is the head and this is the chest and this is your stomach and these 2 are legs and these 2 are hands. Any way you do, whether you do Sujok, auricular and Devendra or acupressure or any way you do, the one thing you should remember, the whole body, even every inch of your body is a reflection of holistic. in all the way. It's a complete reflection. Now, you can touch any part and you can heal any other part. The great healers in the past few centuries, they observed a lot and they given wonderful reflex points to the mankind. We are here using that. Just a minute. We are using it, and maybe one of you may come out with some other technique. So we are using a simple 2-3 techniques, maybe a Swara or Sujok or auricular or some other simplest way you can follow. Clear? What is acupressure points? Any given part of the body or tissue of the body is reflecting the holistic way of the body. It is a reflex. It is also, acupressure is also called reflexology. So that you can do it systematically, one by one, and you can activate the respective organ carefully and you can get the results. Any doubts regarding the acupressure definition? Even if you take whole hand, this is the head. This is your chest. This is your lower body, the lumbar area. If anybody is having low back pain, from ear to ear, just to do massage. Comfortable massage for 1 or 2 minutes, your low back pain will come down. How? Because this is the lumbar area, this is the trunk, and this is the head. So all comes under different ways we tell, no? Sujok therapy, auricular therapy, magnetic therapy, facial reflexology, scalp acupuncture. All are coming under one category called acupressure. Whether doing your dry massage or oil massage, whether you are using some machines or doing by hand, the aim is one. Just you are triggering it. So here, to make it simplest way, we are using some hand and foot and ear to give pressure. For example, if you give pressure here, all of you right now, just if you give pressure here 20 times, you can see some changes and energy flow in the stomach. So here you can treat any part by any means, but logically you should divide and treat. So here, this is the stomach reflex. You are giving stomach energy. The moment you press here, the chi and blood which rushes to the stomach. And the ample amount of chi and blood which moves to the stomach, what happens? The stomach uses the excess energy, and if you have any food stagnation, or any excess of gastric secretion, or any ulcers, or any chi stagnation is there, or deficiency of the chi is there. So it will, because blood carries the chi and oxygen and food, everything is there in the blood. The moment you do pressure on the stomach reflex, the more energy which rushes to the stomach, and the stomach uses that energy for healing. Got it? For example, this is the throat reflex between these two fingers. If you do a small massage here, what happens? Just 15 to 20 times a small massage here. It increases blood flow to the throat. If you have a sore throat, throat congestion, you can see the wonderful difference within 1 or 2 hours by just giving the pressure here. Clear? So someone got burp after pressing stomach point. Someone may got pain relief or feeling light in the stomach. It may happen. Just observe 10 more minutes. We will back and we will continue the class. All of you just check the changes and observe the changes. Stomach and throat point. And we will back in 10 minutes.
सर आवाज आ रही है? Can you listen my voice?
Yes, carry on.
Your voice is not. I'm not able to your voice. Listen to your voice.
Welcome back. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Any changes happened after pressing throat point number 6 and stomach point 27? So you may feel changes now, or it may take 1 or 2 days. But one thing, be sure, you are passing extra chi and blood to the throat and stomach area. Clear? So regarding type 2 diabetes and other chronic illness, we will take tomorrow. So in this three days class, we are taking our acute and chronic diseases, and we will discuss, okay, how best we can do with acupressure and food and other techniques. So before going to the question and answer session, today we'll do a small healing session of about 5-10 minutes. So that gives you a lot of energy to you, and so that your acupressure also be very effective when you are doing with energy. Okay, so all of you just gently make your room dark and sit comfortably. Relax. Gently close your eyes. The most powerful thing in this universe is your thoughts. your thoughts will get energy and become stronger and stronger when you stay with zero state, when you stay with nothingness. Just concentrate between two eyebrows, Nagna chakra. Go deeply into the darkness. Just deep into the darkness. Stay there. Whatever thought comes, let go. No need to go into it. Just stay with nothingness. Stay there. Stay there. Be with nothingness. Stay there in deep darkness. Nothingness. Stay there. Deep darkness. Stay in the zero state. With the zero state, create a thought to heal, to cure, to energize, to strengthen. Create a thought to whom you want to heal. For them, create a thought to strengthen, to circulate the better energy. To heal whole body. Again back to zero state. Stay there. Stay there. Stay with your consciousness in the zero state. Relax. Whenever you feel comfortable, you can come back to Ajna Chakra and relax. Stay there. Take your own time. Relax there and come back to Ajna Chakra and to the real world. Relax. Strengthen your thoughts with nothingness. The most powerful healing tool with you is your thoughts. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining the meditation. You can see the changes in your energy levels. Stay with you. This is the easiest and best way to save your energy. The each and every thought, work, watching, listening takes your energy. When you're in nothingness and zero state, You're gaining energy and you stop losing the energy. Whenever it's possible, be with the zero state. And we will help you to go to the zero state in every class, 5-10 minutes. We will use this technique to strengthen, to energize you. So always when you do it in a group with guidance, definitely you move into the deeper state of your mind and gains the energy. So if you have any questions regarding acupressure, it's welcome. If anybody feel you weakness and tired and lethargy, just apply dark blue color in the left hand small finger. Clear? Thank you. Yes, Anish.
Hello, sir. Thank you for wonderful class. Actually, I have one emergency at my home right now. My daughter is 12-year-old. She is repeatedly getting giddiness. Since yesterday is going on, like every 5 minutes she gets, and just holds our hand very tight against get relaxed. It happened 15 days ago also, but we took homeopathic medicine. Didn't help much.
Listen carefully. Giddiness, it may happen due to a liver heat or liver blood deficiency. Anyone. You can switch on your video so that communication will be better.
I have switched on my video. My video is on.
Yeah, just a minute. Where is your child?
Child is lying down.
Okay, don't worry. I'm just passing energy to heal. Okay, and she feels better. Okay, then you don't need to do anything. Within 1 or 2 days, she'll be fine. The second most important thing is you have to maintain her food. So liver blood deficiency or liver heat, it happens due to more heat in the body and less coldness. Avoid the liver get activated and energized and exhausted due to sour taste. Don't give any sour food. Kacha mango, tamarind and vinegar and lemon. Even you should not give ram tomato. Fully ripened tomato only you can use for the sour. Other than that, don't use any sour taste. Okay. Daily afternoon give milk.
Afternoon give milk.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Okay.
Okay. Plus, this is the liver reflex, this area.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Today you press 20 times.
Okay.
That's it. Don't do anything for 1 week.
Okay.
So 1 week you have to maintain the food and observe it.
Okay.
Okay. So weekly 2 times give musambi juice, sweet lime.
Okay.
Around 11:30.
Okay.
Okay. You are from?
I'm from UP. I'm in Hyderabad. But
You
I'm
mean,
from
okay. You're doing that papuna dal.
Dal.
Dal you do, no?
Yeah, yeah, chonk.
Yeah.
Dal.
Yeah. Weekly 2 times when you're preparing dal, use spinach.
Okay.
Okay. Normally in Hyderabad, they do pappu like with spinach. Okay. So that increases the blood production better along with the buttermilk in the afternoon. And follow this and update me after 1 week in the Joshi Keda group.
Sure, I'll do that. I'll do this.
Thank you.
Good evening, Basav sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have visited your clinic, twice in the month of February and March, along with my wife.
Along with your wife.
Yeah.
Yes.
Her name is Lalita. Sir, the problem is, hello? Hello?
Okay, one person you talk at a time.
Yeah, I'm talking. Huh?
Yes, Krishnamurti, you visited twice.
Yeah.
You are from that
Bangalore. From Bangalore. I'm from Bangalore.
Kerpuram.
No, Banaswadi.
Banaswadi, nearby Kerpuram. Yes.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, I
Sir,
remember.
my wife's, hemoglobin is coming down day by day. Now it has come down to 5.9.
Any bleeding in the body?
No, there is no bleeding at all.
Okay, if the hemoglobin is low day by day, means only 2 organs is responsible for that. One is spleen, another one is kidney.
Okay.
Spleen controls food metabolism, by that it is producing the blood. Second is kidney, which is controlling the bone and bone marrow. From there, blood secretes.
Correct.
Okay, 2 things you have to do. Okay, to energize spleen. Okay, you can just do a number 36. This is the point. Just press 20 times. This you can do weekly twice.
Okay. How many times? 20 times.
Only 20 times is enough.
Okay.
Okay. To enhance kidney, you just take kidney beans or rajma seeds, just apply on the kidney reflex. Okay. Avoid all the spices and sour, which creates the yang energy and diminishes your blood. Okay. Give all without spicy and without sour. Okay.
And I have applied star magnet on K3 point.
No, if you apply star magnet on the K3, your blood will go down.
Oh, is it so? Okay.
Yeah. What is K3? It is a kidney controller point.
Okay.
Instead of increasing blood, you are decreasing blood.
So what I should do in that case if I apply any magnet?
If you want to apply magnet, apply on the K7 or K10.
K7 or K10.
Yes.
Star magnet.
Star magnet you can apply, or you can apply pepper.
Pepper. Okay.
Okay. So that's what acupuncture, everyone will think what are some points is there, less in it, then put it. No. Logically, you should understand what is going on in the body and mind after applying the point.
Okay.
I think last time you missed a TM class. Okay.
Yeah.
This time you attend TM class, you understand the working principle of each and every point, what happens after applying and what is the condition before application. Okay. So right now you can apply one pepper seed on K7. You can see the changes within a week. Okay.
Because the doctors are advising her to get admitted and they want to do blood transfusion, do bone marrow test and all that.
I am telling you, if you give blood also, it will stay only for 1 or 2 months. After 1 or 2 months, again blood will go down because our yang energy is too high and yin is too low.
Correct.
You cannot get solution by blood transmission. If you want any emergency, you do. I don't tell you don't do it. But you have to find a solution for yourself. No doctor will find out a solution for you.
Exactly. So for the moment, I'll apply that pepper in K7 or K10.
Yes, K7 only, not K10. Any one step you have to apply. K7 you apply and update me changes after 1 week. Okay.
This pepper I'll apply only for 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes. Okay.
On both the hands, sir? Both the hands.
Only one hand.
Only one hand.
Yes.
Okay.
So if any changes, okay, otherwise the next weekend you visit our clinic, I'll check your pulse in the Nadi Swara and I'll give you clear guidance.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
सर मेरे ना हर्निया है, वेंट्रल हर्निया, क्या वो ठीक हो सकती है एक्यूप्रेशर से?
1 minute. Regarding what you are asking?
हर्निया, वेंट्रल हर्निया।
Where exactly, madam?
वेंट्रल हर्निया नेवल के ऊपर है।
नेवल के ऊपर means your spleen and stomach is very weak.
गैप है 8.30 सेंटीमीटर का।
Got it.
सिटी स्कैन में ऐसे आया।
Your muscles is so weak. You do one thing. You just try weekly 2 times. You take yellow pumpkin juice.
Yellow pumpkin juice.
In the morning and afternoon, you take buttermilk.
अच्छा, आफ्टरनून बटर मिल्क। डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को नींद की भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, रात को काफ मसल और टोज एंड हील्स में बहुत ज्यादा सीवियर पेन होता है रात को। 1 घंटा नींद आती है, फिर मैं उठ जाती हूँ।
Your entire body, in the muscles, there is a dehydration. There is no moisture.
अच्छा जी।
Due to lack of moisture, your body is not able to hold the muscles. You have
काफ
to,
मसल
yeah, you have to, you have to strengthen your spleen energy. Are you acupuncturist or acupressure? Or you are fresher?
Acupressure.
Acupressure you do. Okay. Just you do 1 point on the spleen.
अच्छा जी।
Okay.
Spleen.
Another point on the solar flex. Okay. Weekly 2 times, give pressure only 20 times. And weekly 2 times you take yellow pumpkin juice in the morning.
अच्छा जी।
And afternoon you use buttermilk.
ठीक है। तो नींद की भी प्रॉब्लम और दर्द की दोनों ठीक हो जाएंगी डॉक्टर साहब?
The what solution I given, it works for both, because I'm increasing the moisture in the muscular system so that you get sleep also.
Thank you डॉक्टर साहब। हर्निया ठीक हो सकती हैं?
I'm strengthening muscles. It takes long the way. It takes more than 6 months to 1 year. But you can start the things what we told. The further we will update in the Joshi Kela group. You can ask the questions. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
हेलो।
Hello.
हाँ नमस्ते सर।
Namaskar.
हेलो।
Hello madam, tell me.
हाँ सर, मेरे कुछ दिनों से मुंह में दोनों टंग के साइड से जिगजैग हो जाता है और ऐसा लगता है जैसे दांत मेरे जीभ में चुभ रहे हैं। तो मैं धनिए का पेस्ट बना करके वो पानी में घोल के लेती हूँ और सोडा वाटर बना के पीती हूँ। खाने का जो सोडा होता है दिन में 3-4 बार, तो उससे ठीक हो जाता है 2-3 दिन में, और वापस से फिर 2-4 दिन बाद फिर हो जाता है। ऐसे छाले जैसे हो जाते हैं जीभ में, बीच में भी ऐसा लगता है जल गई इस टाइप में होता है।
You're feeling
तो ये ठीक नहीं हो पा रहा है। और
you're feeling more saliva secretion in the mouth. Hello. Are you feeling more saliva secretion in the mouth? I can understand Hindi, but not completely. Anyone can translate? Anyone? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Uma.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Namaskara.
Namaskara, sir. Sir, because of my back pain, I'm unable to come to clinic also nowadays to meet you. Day by day, it's going worse and it's spreading to my legs also, pain. ನಿದ್ದೆನೂ ಸರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆನೂ ಹಸಿತಿಲ್ಲ. ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೊರತು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸಿದಂತೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
You're not feeling hunger and low back pain.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಕಾಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇನ್ ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಅಪ್ ಟು 2 o'clock 3 o'clock I don't get pain because of my leg pains also.
The pain you are getting lateral side of the egg, lateral side of the leg, or
Calf
inside?
muscles. Yes sir.
Calf muscle.
Calf muscles. Yes. Full ಕಿತ್ತಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ.
You do one thing, madam. Just left hand small finger apply sky blue line right now.
Okay sir.
And
Okay.
tomorrow evening you text me back.
Sir, now or tomorrow morning I can do, sir?
You apply sky blue line right now
Okay.
and tell me the
I can wash in the morning?
tell me the changes tomorrow evening.
Okay, I can wash in the morning, sir, or I can wash
Wash in the morning, again you apply.
Okay, okay, sir, fine. Thank you so
Apply
much,
for
sir.
4 hours.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Monica.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm having urticaria from past 2 or 3 years.
Okay.
So what will be the solution?
Is
I
there
have applied also one methi seed for 10 minutes on LA11, but that has not affected so much.
Okay. Is there any triggering factor for urticaria for you?
Yes, it's aggravated mostly in summers. There is so much heat in my body.
Okay.
Due to which
Okay. You just press acupuncture point K10 20 times.
K10 20 times. Okay.
Yes. You do it today and
Only
after,
once.
only once. Do it today and after 4 days again do it once again.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
After that, after 10 days, you update me changes.
Okay, sir. There is no need to apply any seed. Just press.
No. So according to your things, your excess of pitta is there in the body. It takes 1.5-2 months time to reduce. Okay, it won't happen any magic with 1 point. So 1 point I given just to slide that that makes slight changes from pitta to kapha constitution, but you have a long way to go. Just continue.
Okay, sir. Heat in my body will decrease by the use of K10 point.
I can't. It may decrease 70% or 10%, but you are in the way. You are in the right way to heal your urticaria. The 3 years is there means at least we need 2 months to cure. But it's your responsibility to follow.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
रेनू लांबा बोल रही हूँ सर.
Hello, sir. नमस्कार.
Yes, anyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
सर रेनू लांबा बोल रही हूँ. सर मेरी डॉटर की अभी डिलीवरी हुई है और उसको लैक्टेटिंग मदर है अब, और उसको माइग्रेन की प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत ज्यादा माइग्रेन. डेली शी हैज टू टेक पेन किलर. Suggest any point for that? She is having migraine problem.
Migraine problem. It happened after delivery?
Not in the pregnancy she has started.
Okay, pregnancy started. You do one thing, just press this liver reflex 20 times now and after 3 days.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
And one more thing for me, मेरे feet में बहुत burning sensation है. Only in the feet, soles.
Okay. So, lung dryness, lung heat. You can just take cucumber slice.
Okay.
Small cucumber slice and apply it on the lung reflex for just 10 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. So you're getting due to lung dryness only, that will moisture. Okay.
Okay.
And
Thank you,
take
sir.
afternoon, you take buttermilk along with onion. Anyone?
सर
Thank you, sir.
गुड इवनिंग सर
Good evening.
प्रोस्टेट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सकती है सर
Prostate gland, yeah, you have to try, madam. You can work on it.
मतलब what to do sir, can you guide?
You
I
just
am a fresher, I don't know any points, first time I attend your class.
okay. I will give you 2 simple points. You can try that.
Okay.
So weekly 2 times, you just give pressure on the bladder. This is the bladder reflex.
This one sir.
Yes, it's exactly
Okay.
center.
There. Okay.
And another one is prostate point here.
Here. Okay. How much time sir?
Just 20 times to 30 times here and here. That's it.
Morning, empty stomach.
Any time of the day, just avoid 2 hours after food. You have to do weekly only twice.
Okay. And what about diabetes sir?
You do it first, this one. Okay. Let's see the changes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you sir. Thank you.
Premalada.
Yes. Your voice is not audible. No voice from Premalata.
Vinith.
Thank you. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, from last 7-8 days, I am facing some frozen shoulder kind of problem. I am there's a pain in this shoulder area. I am not able to stretch my hand fully. The pain is here in this area.
Okay.
So, which I am facing some stiffness in the head.
You just make it in the left hand, small finger root here.
Okay.
Okay.
Just press.
Yes, here. This is a reflex here. Okay. Just press that area. You can see some sensitive pain. Okay. In that area, you just apply 2 or 3 methi seeds.
Right, sir.
And remove it after 20 minutes. You can see the changes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lakshmi.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, namaste.
Namaskara.
A 7-year girl having blue color nail. Her veins are visible over all hands. While she walking a little bit, then her palpitation or heartbeats increase.
She is a pregnant.
No, 7 years.
7 years. 7 years daughter. 7 years daughter.
Ji.
Palpitation and anxiety.
Her nails. Palpitation increase when he walk a little bit.
And the nails turning blue.
Blue.
Okay.
Her veins are visible in her hands.
You do one thing between a ring finger and small finger, just below 1 inch, you give pressure 20 times. Okay. After 1 week, repeat the same point again. And after 10 days, you update me changes. Thank you. Premalata voice is not audible. Check your device. Premalata, check your device. So voice is not audible.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, I just wanted to ask that I'm trying to lose my weight from so many years, but it is stuck like it is came in weight loss plateau situation. I'm trying to lose, but there is it's not working properly. I'm taking diet and I'm doing exercise also, but it is stuck.
No, diet and exercise won't work. You have to see the body constitution.
Like what, sir?
No, what is the root cause for gaining weight? That you can understand what is the present vikruti of your body. Based on that only we can plan for the treatment.
Okay, after 10th standard only it started gaining. Before that it was not there.
What is your age?
My age is 25, sir.
25.
Yeah.
You are in which city?
I'm in Amravati, sir.
Amaravati. It's near Vijayawada, no?
No, sir. Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Near Nagpur.
In Nagpur, our Nadiswara users are there.
Okay.
I will share you in the Joshi Kerala group.
Okay.
You just take one Nadiswara report and you send it me through WhatsApp. Based on that, I can tell you the treatment.
Okay. Can I get your number, sir?
It's there in the Joshi Kerala group.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Because if I try to give you some protocol to lose weight, it may make you some other effect. Let's understand your body based on that only. Because without understanding what is the root cause of your weight gain, if you simply do the even diet and exercises, that means you're simply straining your body. By overstraining your body, day by day, your situation get worse and your body become weak.
Okay. I have tested insulin, sir. I have tested my insulin.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's so high.
That's what we need. See, that is the medical perspective you told. But I'm not giving you any medicine to get the give treatment based on those reports. If I understand your tridosha, if I understand your 5 elements in the body, we can plan treatment in drugless way. So, for example, let's take, okay, your insulin secretion is high, you told. It may be a skin heat will be there, or it may be a liver indeficiency will be there. If you understand in that language, so that I can give you clear idea about food and other things, so that you can lose your health, your weight in a healthy way.
Okay. So Sunday there is the office open? The clinic is open on Sunday in Nagpur?
I don't know. In Nagpur, our student and Nadiswara users are there. I'm in Bangalore. So I will share you the details in Joshi Kerala group who are using Nadiswara in Nagpur. Okay.
Srikanth. Namaste, sir. My name is Srikanth. This is regarding ankylosing spondylitis. I have this at sacroiliac joint. So basically, I tried acupuncture a few years back. So that time it was all right, almost 8-9 years back. But again, it started in 2020 and 21 winter season. So just wanted to prepare this year not to get it back. So is there anything I need to change in food or anything I need to do daily?
If you got in winter season means it's very sure that your body is having excess coldness.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This is at hip joint, sacroiliac joint. Yeah.
Okay. You can take some cold food and avoid the spice.
Okay.
Is there any, you feel intensive pain or dull pain?
Intense pain, intense. It's too intense. Yeah.
It's too intense.
Yeah. Earlier it started left and now it moved to right also. Right sacroiliac joint.
Coldness.
Basically it's at the hip, right? So it was so very, very troublesome.
You do one thing. You just press this area. That's enough. It will take care.
Okay. Okay. Right hand or any hand?
Both the hands, this area. It will cover, it will warm your body and strengthen the hip joint also.
Okay.
You can do weekly once.
Oh, weekly once is enough. Okay.
That's enough. It will take care.
For 5 minutes or something, any time duration?
Any time of the day, just 20 times.
20 times. Okay.
20 to 30 times is more than enough.
Okay. Food to spices only.
Include
spicy.
spices in your diet.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And
Yeah.
avoid cold stuffs and oily stuffs.
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you.
Maria.
Many people are asking Nadi Swara is there in Chennai, Hyderabad, Mysore and all. So as per now, my knowledge, Nadi Swara is available in all major cities. Okay, just check with in Joshi Kerala group. Just text, people will reply. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I am from Madurai, Tamil Nadu, sir.
Yes, madam.
My hemoglobin level is 6.8.
Okay.
Already you told the treatment also. Can you repeat the same, please?
No, that treatment won't work for you. By seeing your face, your lips little white. Okay.
Okay.
So that your spleen heat is more.
Okay.
Food you continue same. You apply one pepper seed here, just exactly middle.
Okay.
Just 10 minutes.
Middle portion.
Middle finger, exactly in the middle here.
Okay.
Apply
Middle finger, middle portion.
middle finger in the top area in the middle.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Apply pepper seed 10 minutes and follow the food what I told.
I have a eating habit raw rice, but I can't avoid that.
Eat raw rice, it increases spleen heat. Avoid it first.
But I can't. Okay, but
You already in the see your spleen heat is too excess. It is when spleen heat hyperactive, it will kill your RBC cells and other platelets earlier. See, according to me, your blood production is there, but your body is hyper way it is killing that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank
Nigresh.
हेलो
Hello.
नमस्ते सर
Namaskara.
सर मेरे मुंह में बार बार छाले हो रहे हैं मतलब दोनों जीभ की साइड से ऐसे जिगजैग हो जाता है कभी कभी गाल में और इधर यहाँ पर भी ऐसे छाले जैसे हो जाते हैं जीभ ऐसे बीच में से ऐसे जली हुई सी लगती है मुझे तो मुझे किसी ने बताया था कि आप धनिया का पेस्ट बना के उसे पानी में घोल के लीजिए दिन में 3-4 बार और खाने का जो सोडा होता है वो भी
Are you feeling burning sensation?
जीभ में लगता है और जीभ जो जीभ के साइड में ऐसे जिगजैग हो जाता है ऐसा लगता है दांत मेरे उसमें जीभ में टच हो रहे हैं चुभते हैं मुझे दर्द होने लगता है जीभ में और ये फिर होठ में भी ऐसे छाले जैसे हो जा रहे हैं बार बार तो वो सोडा वाटर और धनिया का पानी लेने से मुझे आराम होता है पर फिर बाद में 2-3 दिन बाद फिर से तकलीफ हो जाती है और मेरे लोअर बैक में भी बहुत पेन रहता है मैं सुबह सो के उठती हूँ तो मुझे कमर से बहुत ज्यादा दुखती है फिर दिन भर थोड़ा काम वाम करने का ठीक हो जाती है
You do one thing. Left hand, index finger. In the second line, towards thumb, apply one methi seed here. Only one time, 10 minutes.
सर मेरी गर्दन में भी बहुत बार यहाँ पे सब पूरा दर्द रहता है सिर भी बहुत दुखते रहता है
What I given points, it works for your neck, digestion, throat, mouth, tongue, for everything.
Okay. Towards thumb na?
Towards thumb, here. In this line, towards thumb.
Okay, sir.
Apply one methi seed 10 minutes only one time.
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaskar.
Yeah, I am Sundari from US. Here the season started, the spring started, the sprout is, pollen allergy is too much. And it's full of head congestion, sir. Sometimes the pain is moving from this side to this side. And, I cannot sleep in the night time. When I lie down, the pain is spreading and I have to sit upright position and sleep. Is there any remedy for that, sir? I took some pain.
You do one thing very simple. Apply red and sky blue.
Which part, sir?
Left hand small finger sky blue. Left hand ring
Under-
finger red.
Under the nail?
Just below the nail.
Below the nail.
Yeah.
Left hand.
Left hand
Can
small.
you repeat?
Yeah, once again I'm repeating you. Left hand small finger below the nail sky blue. And below the left hand ring finger below the nail red. Apply these two color dots daily 2 to 3 hours. You can see the good changes within a week.
Because of that, I took some pain pills and then it aggravates my acidity, sir. It will control the
There is
acidity.
one proverb, udar kottu adra tondre anteli. You are for small issues, you are creating big issues. Avoid it. Okay. Follow the Joshi Kerala group. After 3-4 days, update in the group with colors changes. And if required, we will give you the points. Thank you.
For acidity, is that it will take acidity to, sir? I have a severe acidity.
You stop
till now.
medicine first and apply the colors. It will give answer for everything.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
So we'll see tomorrow. Rest of the questions we will discuss tomorrow evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. This is Lalitha here. I have a question.
Yeah.
Actually, the dryness inside the nostrils. Fail to clean the nostrils every 20 to 25 minutes. I heard that the dryness inside the nostril is the symptom of dryness of the brain.
Yes,
Is it so?
No, symptom of the nostril dryness is a symptom of lung dryness.
Oh, okay. Then the cucumber slide applying is enough. Is it so?
That's enough. Otherwise, you just apply one methi seed on LI4.
Oh, okay.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so
Hello,
much, sir.
sir.
Thank you all.
Hello, sir.
We'll
Yes.
join tomorrow at the same time. We'll meet tomorrow evening at 8 o'clock. Actually, this is 10:10, very late for Basara, sir. So
Yeah,
we
one
will-
last question I can ask.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sir. Actually, my boy is 6 years old. He's having the speech delay issues. Actually, I mean, some say autism, some doesn't say autism, some say it's border to the autism, some say it is not autism. The IQ level is the issue, but overall, as long as his speech is
ITI
improved,
contact
and
is there.
yes, sir, it is there, sir.
Then you can think of it. So you just text me Joshi Kerala group symptoms and we will try to get back to you.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good night, everyone. Bye.
Good night.
Dear friends, the rest of the questions you can ask in Joshi's Kerala group. Sir is answering all the questions, and so many senior students also there. They may help you.
Madam,
Thank you all. Yeah, in
Excuse
Telegram
me.
group. Joshi's Kerala
Madam,
group is the Telegram group. You can search.
Not able to join that group, madam, actually. I tried too many times, but
Just to search Joshi's Kerala group in Telegram app. You will find that group. You can easily join there. Otherwise, you can use this link shared in the chat. Okay.
that link is not working, madam, actually. I
Okay.
tried both.
Then you have to just search as Joshi's Kerala group in search bar of Telegram app.
Okay.
Anyway, with the same ID, we will have the class tomorrow and day after. You can join the sessions.
Okay,
Thank you all.
Thank
Good
you.
night all. Thank you. Thank you so much.